With another video. This video is going to be different than the previous ones because today I'm gonna basically review yesterday's trading session and see which trade was basically lucky, which trade was a bad trade, which trade was a loss because of the market situation. All of this gonna be examined today, and this is what you have to do with for your own trading sessions as well, because you have to detect that if you lose a trade because of your luck, because of a bad trade, or because of the market. Basically, we got three type of losses. You lose a trade either because of luck, all right? It can be opening the next candle with the gap up or gap down, which is gonna make you lose a trade. That's basically unlucky, all right? Or you're gonna lose a trade because of a bad trade, and basically taking a wrong trade. It's better to say a wrong trade. All right, W for wrong. Or you will lose a trade because of the market. Okay, not market, like something like this one. You lose because not paying attention to the time, or these kind of mistakes. All right, I will say this is a market mistake, let's say, or broker, whatever. Okay, so we got three type of losses. Today I'm gonna see that which one of the trades were lucky, were wrong, or were based on the market's mistake. So let's start with the first trade. My first trade, let me remove this one. This is for yesterday's trading session, right? My first trade was this one. Basically, I traded because of the support area. And also we got this gap down right here, all right? And if this is a gap down starting from this area, I would be 100% sure that this is gonna go up. But since this gap, it's not starting from support area, this trade could be a wrong trade, all right? This is basically a wrong trade. But if you look at this doji, it's exactly closing on the doji's wick right here. So basically, it would better to wait, all right? So basically, this is a bad trade. This is a bad trade. I would say this is a bad trade because the gap, it's not fully in our favor, and also the doji is not broken yet. It can act like a support area. This area of the doji, it can act like support, but this is not a sure shot. If the gap was starting from this area, I would go 100%, with the buyers, but this entry is also super lucky. I wasn't intentionally entering with this marginal safety. If you look at the video, the market started off with this strong movement to the downside. My entry start from here. Okay, my entry basically start from here. And this was a draw. This trade was a draw. All right. Yeah, you see that it was a draw, but I deserved to lose this trade, because if I wasn't lucky and my trade was opening from here, I would probably lose the trade. So it was a lucky draw, right? Let's see the next trade. Okay, this one was a very clear win, and that was a great win. So basically, this overlaps right here. In the binary option, when we break a supply or demand, the buyers or sellers, they're going to trigger. For example, here, this is an overlapping level. And if you look at this area at the lower scale, you will find this, okay? This is a overlapping. And in the lower scale, you will find this. And this is a sign of supply area. Also, look at the past. We got this. And again, it's kind of, you can kind of predict the next move of the market, right? So based on the sequence, and also the trend is also coming down. Right, the trend is also coming down. This was a clear trend, not luck or anything. That was just a good trade. Okay. Okay, the video stopped right here. It doesn't move. All right, this is a hold on, I will fix this. Yeah, so this was the trade, and it was a winning trade. That was a good trade. I will type G as a good trade. Okay. So the next trade was this one. This buy right here, I was expecting to go up. I don't know why. This is a terrible trade. This is a bad trade by me. All right. This is a bad trade by me. I shouldn't expect. It's a pattern that it might give us a retracement, okay? And also we previously have this ABC to the downside, all right? Like the previous time that we got ABC to the upside and then we keep going up. And here again, we could just keep coming down since this is minor downtrend. And also, and this is just so many red candles and I'm going with the buyers again, hoping that this is going to go up. But this is a bad trade, terrible trade. And I don't know what is wrong with this player right here. Just, oh my goodness. All right, you see that we lost this trade because it was a bad trade, okay? Yes, I will write B for bad trade. All right. Let's see the next trade. All right, we go with the sellers here, double trade because of this doji break. And also, yeah, look at this trend. This is a trend to the downside. And you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red candles and just 1 and 2 green candles. So going with the buys right here, it's so risky because the trends can just keep coming down. Also, we broke this doji right here. We created this engulfing or outside bar pattern, so we can have the retracement. And also we got this seller's entry right here. Better entry would be waiting for entering with marginal safety here, but anyways, we took this trade. And also we got this gap up, and also I made a mistake. I didn't wait for the next candle to open, because if the next candle is opening from here, it might again create one more green candle. So always wait 3 to 4 seconds and let the candle open and then see if there, maybe it's opening with a crazy gap, who knows, okay? So wait, and maybe entering with marginal safety in some cases is gonna save a lot of trades for you, okay? So basically I think this trade, I hate this VLC player, man. Don't use this freaking application. All right, you see that the candle is about to close. And I think we're going to get draws here. Both of them were draws. And basically here, this was my mistake, wasn't it? It was just unlucky. It could little drop more, I would say this was unlucky. Let me just L, G, B. Oh my goodness. All right. Yeah, it was unlucky. Let me see what. Basically, that was a good trade, but I made a mistake, okay? So basically, that was a good trade, but I was, I didn't wait for the best entry, okay? At least I could enter at the candles open. I would get winning trades. So basically, these are good trades, but they were draws, all right? Next. Oh my god. I have to just open and close this video just to make it work. All right, so we got this trade right here. I go with the sellers right on this round number because we have this doji broken. We created this pattern, all right? And then I was expecting another red candle, but the price just jumped up and flied right here. It's like these two draws right here really, in terms of psychology, they can mess you up. It was draw, it's not that bad, but if that was a losing trade because of, you having a mistake in taking a good trade, okay, that hurts a lot, okay? Yeah, it's gonna mess up your psychology, and then you're gonna take bad trades. But in this one, it's not even a bad trade. It was a losing trade, but it was a good trade. All right. Okay, that was a losing trade, and it was a good trade. Let me just, yeah. All right, so I'll write this G right here. And let's see, yeah, the next trade is buying right here. This was also a good trade because we broke this doji. We were needing a retracement, all right? Breaking this doji. Is this, no, it's not exactly closing this one, but the taking this right here is basically entering at this buy support area with marginal safety. This trade, this candle right here, expected should to be green, so it's a strong signal right here to enter and trust the support area. We got this rejection one time, and also we broke this doji. So after breaking a doji, we can get another opposite candle. If we're not getting that, we can have at the next candle. Also, this is a 3-bar down pattern, so the next candle can go up. So basically we took this trade, and since it was the last 4 seconds of the candle, so it started it's going to close the trade after the next candle. I really expect the next candle to go up right here. And it was a good trade because we broke this doji. We have this 3-bar down. We need the retracement, all right? And our entry is exactly in the support. So there's nothing to worry about. And it was a winning trade. All right? You see, it was a winning trade. All right? That was a good trade. Let's see. All right, this one was a very good trade as well. Yo, look at this. This is the support area. First touch, second touch. This is also breakout trading. It didn't really create a high. If it was creating a high, this would be a very stronger trade, all right? But it was a breakout trading. Another support down here, all right? But it didn't touch the support, so we're not counting on that. This is a breakout trading, and also breaking the doji makes it even stronger. 3-bar down, needing a retracement. Basically, this is a discount trading as well. All right. So this was also a very good trade. But the mistake about this is, again, taking 2 minutes, because, this one right here, probably since we are trading on the main market sometimes doesn't have 1 minute on flag mode. So we have to take, sometimes just, it happens, okay? It happens a lot for me when I'm trading on main market. That's why I always trade OTC. All right, so this was also 2-minute trade, but if this candle was coming down and closing down here, I would be crazy mad. Thank God it didn't happen, okay? So, yeah, let's just let this trade close. Again, this VLC player, I hate this player. I don't know what to use instead of this, because the KM player is also shit. Yeah, this is just, I don't know. Don't use this VLC, it's trash. All right, this trade is about to close. And was it a bad trade? No, it was a good trade. Let's see if there's any other trades. All right, the last trade, I hope you can see it clearly. Let me just write this G's really smaller. G. I basically entered right here for a 1-minute trade, and again, I didn't check this one. Mistake by me. And yeah, this trade basically closed exactly on my entry, but since it was 2 minutes, it goes up and it gives me a winning trade based on the lock. So it was a lucky win. Basically, I should have this as a draw trade, and it was a winning trade because of my luck. So let's just review and see. All right, so what I'm trying to say is that you will take your trades anyways. For example, you have your daily target taking 10 trades, and you will have these chances. You will have some lucky losses, you will have lucky wins, you will have lucky draws, you will have bad trades, good trades. All right, so if you're gonna have all the options, lucky, good trade, bad trade, the markets, when sometimes market plays with you, or the broker change the time sometimes. All right, so we have these options and you cannot avoid them. All right, so can you avoid the lock? No, you can't, because you take the best trade in the board and the next candle opens with a gap up, and it makes you lose this trade. So it's basically a lucky loss. All right, you cannot control that. Can you control good trades? I mean, only taking very good trades? Yes. And this is the most important point. This is what I'm trying to say, okay? Can you control not taking bad trades? Yes. Can you control the market not playing with you sometimes? No, you can't. So the only two factors you can control is taking only good trades. Oh, it's taking only good trades and avoiding bad trades. This is the only thing you can do for your success, all right? Because you're gonna have lucky wins, you're gonna have lucky losses. Anyways, you cannot control luck. Sometimes it's in your favor and you make money, you get happy, you increase the amount and you expecting again the luck, and you're, it shows the other side of the luck to you and you blow up your account. So you have to avoid lucky trades and bad trades and only take good trades. If you only take good trades, for example, if you take 10 good trades, how many of these good trades are going to be a losing trade because of luck? Maximum 2 of them maybe be a losing trade because of the luck or being unlucky, right? 8 of them are going to be winning trades. So why would you take lucky trades? Only search for good trades. This is the thing that I'm trying to make you understand, the philosophy behind the combining reasons to increasing the winning ratio. That's the same. It's taking best possible trades, and you might have a couple of losses because of different variables, but who cares? The outcome is important, and if you take 10 trades with the full confirmation, fully like very good trades, you're gonna have 8 of them, 80% of them as a winning trade, right? This is the whole point of this video. You cannot avoid luck or bad luck or good luck. The only thing you can do about this is taking only good trades and avoiding wrong or bad trades. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like for me and let me know in the comments if it was useful and you like this type of reviews. And yeah, thank you for all your supports. I love you all. And yeah, thank you guys. Peace out.